Welcome to the video. In this video, we are gonna develop an image hunter part 2. In the last video, I taught you how to grab all the images URL from any website using Python web scraping. This video would be basically how to download those videos. So let's get started without wasting much of time. Alright, so that's the code from the last video. Hope you have watched my last video. So basically, let me just repeat whatever URL you want to search. Basically, we make a soup object, right? And what am I doing is basically I do search soup.findAll. IMG basically stands for image tag, and in that image tag basically then I iterate over that, and I want to get the source attribute, so I get the link and I combine it with the base URL and I get all the images. Right now in this video I'm going to be talking about how to download all of these multiple images with Python. Alright, so this code is going to run, and here you can see, sure enough, we have all the images right here. Let me hopefully open my Chrome. Alright, so there you go. Just want to paste it, and there should be an image. There you go, right? Alright, so how do we download all of these images? Alright, so I'm going to teach you two ways. First of all is we need basically, let's say, import OS, import sys. Alright. So I'm gonna show you for the one of them, and then you can do it for the rest of them, right? So this loop needs to be changed a little bit. So let's do for enumerate basically, or basically let's say count comma INENUME enumerate, and you know what? I will be saying enumerate over images soup, right? Rest everything can be same. So we have the base URL, we need the JPEG images, right? What I can do is basically I just want to make sure that this works, right? And hopefully that works, and basically just gonna give me numbers. Now we need to download those images, right? So let's do that. So hopefully we should have all the images right now, but with numbers now, 1, 2, 3, 4. So 49 images, 50 images we have so far. How do we get them? All right, guys, not a big deal. It's very, very easy. I'm going to teach you, right? So we have the URL right here. So, all right. So let me show you for one of them, and then you can replicate, okay? So I'm going to say request, right? I'm going to say request.get URL equals to that new URL, whatever we have, right? Now print that response and print, let me just print the response and want to show you print text. Okay, so let's print that. So it should give 200, and it should just stop it because otherwise, yep, let me add a breakpoint here. Okay, so that should work. So it should basically just show me the first JPEG image. Here you see response is 200, and now it's trying to make that request. Alright, that's our image, guys, but it does not look like an image because we have to save that in an image, right? It's easy, guys, not a big deal. Now I'm gonna teach you something really cool. I want to teach you how to create a folders and stuff. So I'm gonna say folder, and we want to create all these images in an image folder, right? So say folder equals to image, right? Now guys, क्या करना है आपको? Let me do this. Should I teach you that way? I'm thinking. All right, let's do this way. Okay, so try os.mkders images except exceptions as e, right? Uske baad what we will do is basically, so first of all you want to create a directory, and the second time it tries to create a directory is going to give an error, right? So that's where we want to store it. So the path of that image should be os.get current working directory. Then the new path would be basically os.path.join and we want to join basically two of them. So we want to join the path, and then we want to join the images, because that's my folder, right? So then that's my new path, and I want to store this images. So I'm gonna say with open that that directory or that file name or directory dot jpg, right? Dot format, and it would be new path, and we want to open as a write binary. Oh man, shit. The file name has to be unique, right? Because every time otherwise will be a problem. So yeah. So I'm gonna say the number, so it'll be like just 1 2 3 4 5 images, right? What the looks good. F dot right, R dot text. Alright guys and girls, this should be ready. The software should be ready. Alright, let's remove the breakpoint and let's run it. So 40 images in 5 seconds. Right, let's see. Waiting. Hopefully that works, please. Alright, so we do have the image folder, and let's see, file exist error images. Okay, os.makeDirs, but I have an exception block, right? So it should take care of that, right? So try and let's see first of all if we have something in there. Okay, let's see. Alright, let's just see what's there in the folder. Alright, I think I'm just missing something very stupid here. Another exception occurred, trace back, but I have it in an exception block, so it should work. I mean, so if the file exists, I should go in the except block. File not found error. Oh, okay, images, file not file images. You know what, let's do this way. Let's do a debug here. Let's give me a file name first. File name is equal to, because sometimes I know this is usually a problem. So that path of that file, oh yeah, should be slash. Damn, yeah, that's why it was not working. I'm like, why? I think so. So I think that I forgot the slash. So let's do like a new path, and let's say the count variable, and let's like print the file name. Let's add a breakpoint here, and instead of all of this crap, and you know what, .jpg. So I'm gonna say file name. Let's just basically print it. So it should print the directory. So let's see, user sawmill document web scraper .py 46 module with open. Oh, so that's the one. Yep, 4.jpg. Yeah, that's correct. Now hopefully if I run this, and it should not give me a, oh, let me remove the breakpoint. Alright, so hopefully that works now. Alright, so that's the fourth image. os.mkdirs file exist error, file images. Okay, is there a spelling mistake first of all? Sometimes expected a byte liked object and got a string. Hold on. Oh damn, yeah. Byte, yeah. Contents, because otherwise let's see. we all are learning, so we make mistakes because I'm doing it live right now. I'm not like recording it and then like editing my videos. So now this should work, hopefully. Yep. So 2 images should be there inside that. 3 images. Yep. Yes. It's working. It's working. All right. It's working. Let it do its job. So here you can see the first image, and we'll populate all the images slowly and slowly. Let me open that in the Finder as well. And let me bring the Finder window right here. Alright, we should have images. Alright, you have scraped the entire website. Yeah, there you go. So let's see that. So here you can see, guys, all the images from that website has been scraped. Oh, we have a small exception, request timed out, because we are making too many requests to that, because that of course they'll know that there's a bot who's like scraping the website. So to get rid of this, we can use a proxy, but that's for the next video. So hope you have enjoyed this video. You learned how to download images from a website. You learned how to create directories using OS module. So you learned two things that you learned from this video is basically using the OS module, how we created a directory, and how we add all the images to that directory. So hope you have enjoyed this very small tutorial. If so, do give a like. If you have any more questions, please list them your questions. Please list them your please. Oh my God. Please list your question in the comment section, and I would be very happy to assist you. Please do not forget to subscribe to my channel. And by the way, if you want to join my Slack community, make sure to join our Slack channel. We all communicate and make open source projects. You can also join our GitHub organization. That's it for this video. Hope you guys have enjoyed it, and see you guys in the next video. Keep smiling, keep coding, and keep learning Python. See you.